Okay, so this bolt is the one that we cut off that had the T30 in there. Will not come off. You can see how the vice grips have rounded that out real nice. What we're going to do to try and get it off is we're going to go ahead and cut this like a tab and then put some vice grips on it. Now, what we have is a nice flat little tab. We're going to try and grab that with some vice grips. Let's see. There is a big pair, but they may very well be too big. So what we'll do is we'll just take and put this little tiny pair on here. Try and get at it. Well, it's still pretty hot. Something still. Okay. Let's see what we got. And we don't have anything. Just continues to twist around it. Okay, well, let me get the big vice grips and we'll be back. Okay, we'll go ahead and give this another shot. Clamp this on there. Alright, that's not going to be very tight, so go ahead. Crank it down. We really want to get just about everything we can get on it. Okay. So that's that. And there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're turning out. Had this not worked, now, and mind you, with a little bit of precursor, and I've spilled it now, trying to set this camera up. However, that was full of PB Blaster, and I just let this dude soak in there, probably 48 hours, I bet. I bet 48 hours. So, whether or not that helped, same as before. If it didn't fix it, well, it surely didn't make it any worse. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to fight this bolt out. Had it not loosened in this fashion, I got a bottle torch, right? To go ahead and heat it up. And then when we had to get a little crazier with it. Had it not come out, if we had heated it up, then we would have had to tap and drill it and tap it, which is awful. So very grateful that this came out, or is coming out rather. So thanks for your patience, guys, and we'll get wrapping this situation up fairly shortly.